Hey guys, MonkeyBoo. We're going to do a really cool video for you guys. We're going to show you, everybody leaves a lot of comments saying they want a monkey. Monkey proof and child proof are not the same thing. I have a bottle here, look Boo. I'm going to put you some grapes in it. And this is actually like a Flintstones vitamin bottle or something like that. And we're going to put it on there. This is very child proof. You have to, like, look. You have to push it down to open it up. Let's just see Capuchin monkey versus child proof. Alright, Boo, you see what's in there? Look, hold on. We're going to put the lid on it really good. Alright, Boo, show us that a Capuchin monkey is smarter than childproof. Turn around here. Look, Boo. Turn this way so we can see it. Good boy. Open it. Come on, you can do it. It's childproof, Boo. Maybe you can't open it. It's supposed. Open it, Boo. Just turn it. Try to turn it, Boo. You can do it. Open it. Get your grapes. That's not going to do it. Open it up. You did it, dude. Oh boy, get your reward. What you got? Oh, a strawberry and grapes. They're your favorite. Good boy, Boo. Wait, I'm putting something back in there. I'm putting the strawberry back in there. You can't open it. You can't open that. Can you open it? Good boy. Open it up and get your strawberry. Open it. Hurry. Alright, so there it shows, guys. This was a child-proof bottle. Monkey-proof and child-proof are not the same thing, are they, Boo? So no. Say I'm much smarter than a child. Say thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe and like button. You're a good boy, Boo. Thanks. Say thanks for watching, everybody. See you guys in the next video.